Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at one of my favorite trade setups, which is double bottom. A double bottom is an easy to identify trade setup. It forms at an important support and resistance level. And once we see the double bottom form, we're looking for price to go up. So price would have been moving lower. This is a reversal pattern. And now we're looking for a long trade, looking for price to go up higher. So let's go into the charts. We'll take a look at what a double bottom looks like, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and as always, how to exit the trade with a profit. Here we are looking at a double bottom trade setup. This is EuroCAD 15-minute chart. As we see, price comes into the support level here and then pushes off of that level. And next day, price come and test the same level once again and then quickly pushes off of that level with a big bullish engulfing candle here. So this gives us our double bottom trade setup. Basically, price tests the same level twice and rejects the level. Once we see this second rejection here after our bullish candle close here, we can enter the trade long. So this is a reversal pattern and we are looking for price to move up higher now. We'll enter the trade long here and our stop loss would go below the low here, just in case price decides to come back and test the level again. We enter the trade long and we stay with the trade as long as price is moving higher. Once we see that the price starts to go sideways here after this pin, we can exit our trade. From entry to exit here, we get 50 pips in our trade. So just to recap, a double bottom trade setup is when price comes and tests the level twice and bounces off of that level. This is a bullish reversal pattern and we are looking for price to move up higher after this, after it has put in a double bottom. So once we see this engulfing candle close here, we enter the trade long and we stay with the trade as the price is moving higher. Once we see that the price comes into the next resistance level and bounces off of that, starts to go sideways here, this is a good point to exit the trade after this pin bar because chances are it could reverse. So we exit the trade here. From entry to exit, we get 50 pips in our trade. So our profit is 50 pips or $500 if trading one standard lot. If you enjoyed this video and would like to join me in the trade room, I am currently running a special promotion. As part of the trade room, you get access to the weekly market overview that I do every Sunday. You also get to join my private Skype group where I share my trade ideas and commentary as the live market unfolds. I also provide live trade setups and live entries with stop loss and take profit targets. As well as you get access to the daily market analysis call that we do every evening. And we go through over 20 pairs and we look for the best trade setups in those pairs, and you will get levels that you can take trades from yourself as well. Even if you're not taking my trades that I call, you can take your own trades based on the analysis that we do together. There's also a members only webinar every Friday. This is an educational webinar and this is where I pick a topic every Friday that I think will be meaningful to the members of the trade room and I go in depth into that topic. As a bonus, you will get the pivot point indicator with this. Then the cost of that is $97 if you were to just buy it on its own. Plus, you get my Learn to Trade Forex course. So this is the course that I sell on my website for $497, which you get as a free bonus for signing up for this. Now, the cost for this promotion is $997 a year. Generally, I was charging $97 a month. So just for the trade room, it would have cost you $1,200 for the year. But this way, you only pay $997 for the entire year. So you get 2 months free trade room access, as well as you get the Forex course, which is worth $497, as well as my pivot point indicator and the pivot point course that goes with it. This is a great deal because as of end of September, the prices will go up. I am changing a few things in my business and changing the focus a little bit. So I will not have any monthly promotions for the trade room because it just creates too much churn for me and takes my focus away from trading. So going forward, the regular price for the trade room plus the course will be $3,000. I'm revamping the course, adding more mindset type of stuff, more fundamentals, and a little bit more advanced trading strategies as part of the trading course. So basically revamping the entire course. So if you sign up now, you will get access to the new course as well as part of this. So great deal, a great time to join the trade room. Right now, we are coming into some great trading months. September through December tend to be good trading months. So this is a good time for us to get back into trading and good time to make some money. So if you would like to join me, you can go to this link here, bit.ly/yearly trade room. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. That's it for today. I will see you next time.